Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change your age to 13 plus on Roblox. Alright, let's begin. If your Roblox account is set to under 13, some features and games will be restricted. If you entered the wrong birth date during sign-up, you won't be able to change it directly in settings, especially if a parent or guardian created your account. To fix this, go to wroblox.com/support. Fill out the form provided. Enter the email link to your account. For device, select PC. Under Help category, choose Age-based settings and accounts with parental privileges. In the second dropdown, select Change Child Age. In the description box, write, "Hi, when setting up my account, I set up the wrong birth date, and I would like to correct it. Please, can you change my birth date to your correct birth date?" Click Continue. Solve the verification puzzle and submit the request. Once submitted, check your registered email. You'll receive an automated email with a reference number. To proceed, copy that number and click Reply on the same email. In your reply, say, "I am the parent or guardian of this account and would like to change my child's age to correct age." Include the reference number from the email. After replying, Roblox will process your request. It usually takes 24 to 48 hours. So that's basically how you can change your age to 13 plus on Roblox. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.